Welcome back to More Than Metal. Today, we got some cleaning to do. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we got another new one to show you. This here is a 1967 Mercury Cougar. And she is a mess. Sitting outside in a coverall all winter. And she is dirty. See, the cats have been playing on it a little bit. So we got some work to do getting this thing shiny. So first thing we're gonna do is get the hose out and blast this thing off. So here's what we're trying out today. We're trying out this Armor All foam cannon. Just goes on the garden hose. And then all I really wanted out of here was this, but they were all sold out at just the bottle, so I had to buy the whole kit. But it's not like it's gonna go to waste, so I guess we got extras. Okay, now we're talking. Amazing what a little water and soap can do for a vehicle. Very nice. We got the Cougar pulled in and she's all cleaned off. So we want to get some of this chrome shined up, get the interior cleaned out, get her ready for show and shine this weekend. There's a couple things we want to take care of. First, we got another leaky valve cover gasket, so we'll get that changed out. And we also got a pulley on our power steering pump that's wobbling. Power steering seems to be working fine, so I'm not sure if the pulley's just bent. But we're gonna take that belt off and make sure we don't have a problem there. So we'll get started on that. So I'll see if I can show you guys this, but we definitely just have a bent pulley. I'm not sure if it's gonna show up good on the screen, but everything's tight on there. But when you rotate it, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's definitely a bend, so we're not going to worry about that. We're going to put the belt back on and change those valve cover gaskets. So to start off, we're just going to hand polish this paint. We'll go over it once with a microfiber cloth, and then afterwards we'll put a coat of wax on it to seal it. All right, we're all polished up. Next up is the wax. The difference between a polish and a wax, which a lot of people get confused, is a polish actually has micro abrasives in it. So what you're doing with that is you're kind of almost sanding the top layer. So any little micro scratches, stuff like that that dull your paint. It's going to take care of that, and then the wax is going to go over and it's going to seal your paint and give you a little extra shine on top. So yeah, wax up next. All right, got a few streaks to take care of, but she's looking pretty good. Side note, I do not recommend this Simonized wax. It takes forever to dry and it is streaky, but we got her looking pretty good. I think we'll buff it out one more time and we'll start working on the chrome. I'm not sure how well this shows up on camera, but I did one half of the bumper and you can see how much that takes out the little imperfections. I mean, it's not perfect. This is a driver quality car, not a show car, but she looks pretty dang good. And all I'm using is this this Powerball on the drill and this Mother's Chrome polish. Washed, polished, waxed, chrome's all shined up, tires clean, and armor all on the interior. I think all that's left now is to go put a little wind on her. So seeing as this ain't my car, I figured that it was only right that the real owner should be driving it. So everybody say hello to my mom, Pat. Hi.
Now it's dusty.
All right, tell me about your Cougar, Ma.
What would you like to know?
Where'd it come from? How long you had it?
We've had it a long time. It was the first car your dad did himself, front to back. The bodywork, the paint, we redid all the interior. It's pretty special, holds a special place. Until today, this car was for sale. But after spending some time driving it, he's sitting in the seat beside us when we drive it, and I don't think this car is ready to go anywhere yet.
Well, there you go. So what is it, 289?
It's a 289. The motor's never been split on this one. It's all original. Jeremy will have to do some tweaks to make sure it's roadworthy for me, but I think it's my summer cruiser.
All right. Well, thanks for letting me wash it, Ma.
No problem. I'll make you supper.
All right. I think that's it for this video. We'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribe, And if you like seeing my mom on here, you know, comment down below. Maybe she's a better host than I am, and
Yeah, right.
maybe we got to put her on instead. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see more of the Cougars. Until next time.
Bye for now.